If you're wondering what's happening in the Marengo, Illinois housing market right now, you're not alone. Some homes are sitting for months. Others are selling quickly. So instead of reacting to headlines, let's calmly look at what the numbers are actually telling us here in Marengo. Right now, there are 15 active listings. The median list price is about $450,000. The average list price is closer to $590,000, but that number is being pulled up by a few higher-end homes over $1 million. Now, here's what matters more. In the last 30 days, 7 homes actually closed in Marengo. The median sold price was $360,000. Those homes sold in about 52 days on average, and sellers received about 94.5% of their original asking price. So, while many homes are listed near $450,000, buyers are closing closer to $360,000. That difference, that's the story. 90 days ago, the median sold price in Marengo was about $400,000. Today, it's closer to $360,000. That's roughly a 10% reset. Not a collapse, a reset. Active inventory has decreased slightly, but closed sales have dropped more noticeably. And that tells us buyers are still here, but they're more selective. They're responding to value. They are negotiating carefully. And they are no longer chasing aspirational pricing. Here's the one clear insight. The Marengo, Illinois real estate market in 2026 is operating as a two-speed market. Homes priced realistically for today's buyer are still selling in about 2 months. Homes priced based on last quarter's expectations are sitting much longer, sometimes 6 months or more. That's why the average days on market for active listings looks high. A few long-term listings, they're skewing that number. Meanwhile, properties priced properly are still moving fast in the market. So Marengo does not have a frozen market. It's a price-sensitive market, and price sensitivity creates negotiation, not panic. If your home hasn't sold yet in Marengo, pricing alignment may be the reason. If you're staying in your home, this shift is part of normal market breathing. Markets expand, then they recalibrate. What we're seeing now is stabilization after a faster period. The question right now isn't, is it a good time? The better question is my pricing aligned with today's buyer? That alignment is the difference between movement and waiting. If you'd like clarity about how this applies to your specific home in Marengo, we're always available for a calm conversation. No urgency, just clarity.